What do full-timers do when they don't have an RV? A lot of us, rent hotel rooms, Airbnbs, whatever. So we're sitting here in Goshen, Indiana at the Keystone Customer Service building. So what do you do when you live full-time in your RV and it has to go in for warranty repairs? Well, I'm going to show you. Trying to figure out what's next. We've already unloaded the rig pretty much with our stuff, put it in storage because we're not quite sure what the next steps are going to be. So when you live in 2,400 square feet and you go down to about 300 square feet, everything you own will fit in a 5x10 storage unit. That's what you do when your RV has to go in for warranty repairs. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jody. This is Our Boundless Ventures, and today I'm going to clarify some things. What's going on with our RV? Why the delay in putting out videos? You guys have been with me for a while. This summer I've been putting them out like once a week. I didn't put one out last week. Still waiting on some answers from Keystone, but let's get into the video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have the Montana Legacy 3793 RD, and we bought it in December of 2023. It is a 2023 model year. We have a crack in the sidewall here in the rear den. The roof membrane is coming loose. I'll put pictures in the slides here, show you what I'm talking about. And so we're here at the Keystone Customer Service lot, getting ready to drop our rig off. Not sure what's going to happen. I'll post what I can and keep you guys informed. But things are happening here at Our Boundless Ventures. We were fortunate enough to be able to come stay with family. So as you saw, our stuff is now in storage. We are in West Virginia with family. Like I said, we're just hanging out, waiting till our RV is fixed. Keystone is claiming that we'll get our material on the 18th, which is tomorrow, Monday. So hopefully next week we'll have some more information, and then our next video, hopefully I'm bringing you that good news or whatever news we get. We're going to update you guys. This is not clickbait. I don't like using the catchphrases that are going on with RVs, but I think that's where we're at. And I just want to bring you guys along and share our experience right now. We are fortunate to have family that we could stay with. Why our rig is at the shop? Yes, we could have taken our rig back. We could have been using it for the past 2 months. However, I thought it would delay the progress with getting it repaired by putting our stuff back in it, because we'd already moved stuff out that weekend that we dropped it off. You saw in the videos, and I just thought it would prolong the process. So we went ahead and, instead of spending money on hotels and Airbnbs, we had the opportunity. We came back with family, and that's where we've been for the past couple months. So all the videos you've seen is what I recorded over the summer. I hope you guys have liked them. It appears that you have. Our subscriber rate is climbing every day. The likes, it's getting better. Commenting, I appreciate it. I truly do. Keep them coming. On the subscriber thing, YouTube has been randomly unsubscribing people from YouTube channels. It's happened to me on some of the YouTube channels I've been following for a while. Like I'll be watching a video and I notice that I'm not subscribed, and I'm just like, I've been subscribed, what's going on? So double check your subscription, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you have the bell turned on, and I really appreciate you guys' support. We're trying to grow this channel. I'm working through some creative concerns of myself. Hopefully these videos are improving and you guys are really enjoying the content that we're bringing. In that, I will conclude this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.